Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you customize your branding for your Stripe invoices? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to customize the branding on your Stripe invoices anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important, especially when it comes down to making a payment. If the branding is not matching, it is possible your customers are going to be confused on who they're receiving an invoice from. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to adjust your Stripe invoice branding, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you want to look for this button here called Business. Once you do that, you're going to see all of these options along the top, but you want to click on Branding. Okay, so here you can go ahead and adjust the branding, adding an icon, a logo. You can also do the brand color right here. But if you want to go ahead and customize even more, click on this Customize button here on the right. Okay, so here you can go ahead and adjust the background. You can also adjust the button color. You can adjust the font and then also the shape of the button. You can see right here, if we change it from rounded to, let's say, pill, it gives it that more rounded look. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to adjust the branding or customize the branding for your Stripe invoices, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.